Hey Nathan, I've been camping off-grid for a while and I can't seem to get my hot water working. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, of course. Let's jump out. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure our gas bottle is on. Once our gas bottle is on, we want to turn this yellow valve on the regulator so it's vertical like that. All right. Next step, we jump around the side here, and there's another yellow valve just under here. This is purely for your hot water system. We just want to make sure that this valve here is also parallel with the gas line. And once we've done that, we can go ahead and remove this exhaust cover here. Now that we've done all the steps outside, we just want to jump into the control panel here and flick our hot water switch to 60 degrees. Now, if the red light comes on in the bottom corner here, that means the gas hasn't come through and hit the pilot light in the hot water system. So all we have to do is just flick it back to here and back to 60 degrees again. The reason why we don't advise to use the 70 degrees is because most people can't tell the difference between 60 and 70 degrees. They're both pretty hot, and it's just going to consume more power. Now, by the way, if you're camping on grid, the only step that you need to take in order to use your hot water system is flick this switch on here, making sure that both of these are also on as well. And that's it. One last thing before you head off. If you're going from on-grid to off-grid, just make sure that you turn that RCD switch off, otherwise it's going to override your 12-volt system and you will not be able to use your gas.